Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video we're going to make probably my favorite fat bomb. It's a cinnamon pecan bourbon fat bomb. But before we do that, if you enjoy low-carb cooking videos, product and ingredient reviews, as well as lessons learned from my experiences with the ketogenic lifestyle and intermittent fasting, click that subscribe button down there. And while you're at it, click the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I release a new video. If you've made my keto candied pecans, which I'll link to right up here, and somehow managed to have some of them survive long enough to make fat bombs, this is a great recipe that utilizes it. The bourbon in this recipe is optional, but we use a very, very small amount, so it's not like these are alcoholic fat bombs or anything like that. But up to you, add bourbon or don't add bourbon, your call. Let's try it out. Wow, that was really tasty. And the macros are pretty spectacular on this as well. According to Carb Manager, each fat bomb has less than 1 gram of carbs, 12 grams of fat, and 2 grams of protein. So if you're finding that you're not hitting your macros, you're not getting enough fat, this is a great one to do it with. So I hope you enjoy these as much as I do. If you have any ideas to further enhance them, make them even better, put it down in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And thanks for watching.